Before you sneeze, your brain senses irritation, your chest builds pressure, then boom, you shoot air at over 100 miles per hour, all to eject a single speck of dust. It's a powerful response that showcases how our bodies react to even the smallest irritants, turning a simple action into a remarkable feat of human biology. Every day, countless encounters with dust and allergens go unnoticed, yet our bodies instinctively prepare to protect us, often with dramatic results. In that split second before the release, your body gears up, sending signals and building pressure ready to unleash its natural defense mechanism.